In this video, I'll show you how to install free Davinci Resolve. So first, search for Davinci Resolve Download and click on the official Blackmagic design link. Scroll down and choose Download Davinci Resolve without Studio in the name. Choose your operating system, in my case it's Windows. Then you need to fill in the form and click Register and Download. The installation file is about 2 GB of size, so it will take a moment. In the meantime, a few words regarding the free version. I've created several tutorials with effects, title animations, transitions using this version. Even this tutorial was edited in free version, so yeah, it should give you the idea what free version is capable of. If you're a beginner, this is more than enough for you. Okay, it's downloaded. Now we can extract the downloaded file or simply open it and run the exe file by double-clicking it. It will extract in the background, so it might take a few seconds, and run the installer. Here you just click Install, Next, accept the terms and Next. Default path is usually OK, so Next, and install. This black pop-up command screen is OK, and finish. The installation is complete. You will be asked to go through system check and to set default layouts, so Full HD and Davinci Resolve layout should be fine for you as a beginner. Next, you will need titles for your projects that works with free version.